The D handle has more than enough power to do any task we ask it to.
Bolt braking ability was phenomenal. It was like nothing.
On a single battery, I've been able to remove all the tires off of a truck and put them back on a single charge.
To use a battery to have that much power, it's pretty impressive.
The benefits of a tool auto shutting off is that it's less effort for the technician to hand torque the lug nuts, which makes them more efficient and not fatigued over time.
We'll tighten it down with the Milwaukee 1-inch D handle, and it'll go until it stops. Then we'll come back, and it takes about a quarter turn to get it to where it's properly torqued.
So on the One Key app, select the tool, select the drop-down menu, select lug nut mode, and it's good to go.
I highly recommend the 1-inch D handle because of its portability and its ability to do the same job with less.